Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to save a route on Google Maps. Google Maps doesn't allow you to save a route in a traditional sense where you can view and edit it later, but there are some ways to create quick access to your routes or save locations along the way. First of all, open up Google Maps application on your mobile device and then go to the search box at the top and type in the address or name of the location. After you search for the location, tap on the location name at the bottom to bring up its details page. Now, scroll through the menu and tap on Save. Choose a list such as favorites or starred places, and once you are done, click on Done at the bottom of the screen. This will save the location for later reference, but not the full route. To view the saved place, simply go to the bottom of the screen from your home page and tap on U. Here in this page, you will see the saved area quickly and easily. Simply go ahead and expand the saved area or folder, and you will find the place that you've previously saved. So that's how it's easily done. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.